Good morning, friends. Today I'm gonna say about hiccups. Let us know the main causes for hiccups: eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited, drinking carbonated beverages or too much alcohol. Stress is also one of the causes. A sudden change in temperature, swallowing air while sucking a candy or chewing gum. If hiccups are noticed 4 times in a day, it may be a symptom which include pneumonia, disorders of stomach, esophagus diseases. Remedies for stopping hiccups. We can take a deep breath for 10 seconds. Have a teaspoon of sugar to stop hiccups. Thank you, friends.